Hello and welcome back to our tutorial on scanning with Nmap NSE, the Nmap Scripting Engine. In this video, we will explore the powerful capabilities of NSE and show you how to use it for a network reconnaissance and vulnerability detections. But first, let's start with a basic. What is Nmap NSE? Nmap, short for a network mapper, is a free and open source tool used for a network discovery and security auditing. NSE or the Network Scripting Engine is a part of Nmap that allow you to extend its functionality by running a custom scripts against target host. Imagine you are a network administrator and you want to scan a target network to find open ports and detect potential vulnerabilities. Nmap NSE can help you to do just that. Let's and I will show you some script first, and scripts are saved here. User/share. Here are all the scripts are Nmap available. All the script Nmap provide the script for using a target scanning. Okay, so here are all the scripts. Here was the path of scripts. Let's work through an example. Suppose you want to scan the IP address, which can be called 192.168.5.130, and check if it's running a web server and identify a web server version. You would be use the following nmap command with HTTP script from NSE -P80 specific that we are scanning a port 80, which is commonly used for HTTP. -- script HTTP server header. This is a NSE script where we are using. It checks the HTTP server versions. 192.168.5.130 is my metasploitable 2 machine IP address. When you run this command, Nmap will connect with the target IP address on a port 80 and run the HTTP scripts. If it finds a HTTP server, it will attempt to determine the server's version. Now let's take a look at the output you might be get from this NSE script. In the output, you can see the Nmap successfully identified the web server as Apache 2.2.8. This information can be valuable for accessing potential vulnerabilities and ensuring your network security. But Nmap NSE isn't just limited to predefined scripts. You can also create your own custom scripts to perform a specific task. Here we have an example of custom NSE script written in the script language used for NSE. This scripting perform a custom task, and you can integrate it with Nmap by using the -- script flag. And here was the script I am created, and NSE script check for FTP server in our target IP address. To wrap up things up, Nmap NSE is a powerful tool for a network reconnaissance and security auditing. It's allow you to extend Nmap's capabilities, run predefined scripts, and create your custom scripts for a specific task. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on scanning with Nmap NSE. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on our networking security explorations. In this practice, it's essential to ensure that you have a proper authorization to scan and networks, as scanning without permission may be violate laws and regulations. Always use Nmap and NSE responsibly and ethically.